Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burns tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Lean. Yung wish mo natupad na, yung makauwi ka sa inyo. Tsaka MBTC na lang, tol. Tsaka happy birthday ulit. Sensya na, magulo yung isip ko ngayon.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday kay Madam Lian, no? Sa aming owner na si Madam Lian, na hands-on palagi sa lahat ng bagay sa aming GC. Mag-ingat ka, Madam. Alam kong pauwi ka sa Pilipinas o nandiyan ka na sa Pilipinas. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Leon. Enjoy your day. More blessing to come. Sana maging enjoy ka sa iyong karawan kasama ang iyong pamilya. Huwag ka lagi magpaka-stress at lagi ka mag-iingat. Alam ko, marami ka pang pangarap sa buhay. Pero, focus lang sa goal. Matutupad mo din yan. And again, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi Ate Lian, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa buhay mo. I-enjoy mo lang yung buhay mo, te. Sana wish ko maging masaya ka na, magkakita ka na ng jowa mo. At sana wala nang problema na darating sa buhay mo. Laging masaya lang palagi. Ingat!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Luan, happy birthday. Sensya ka na, hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Minsan lang ako ganito. Pero ginagawa ko ito para sa'yo. Happy birthday pala. Ingat ka dyan sa Pilipinas. Spend time. Wish ko sa'yo. Maging masaya ka araw-araw. Good health. Sa'yo, here. Enjoy tayo, inshallah.
And the sun burns tonight. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi kapatid, Lian. Hi babe. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang sa'yo palagi good health and more birthdays to come. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa vacation mo sa Pilipinas kasama yung mga anak mo. Hayaan mo yung mga problema na dumating sa buhay. Basta tayo laban lang. So yun lang, kita-kits tayo soon, tayo ng mga kapatid natin, si Janice, si Ana, ako at saka ikaw. Yun lang, mag-iingat palagi. I love you. Mwah.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday kapatid Lian. Wish ko lang sa'yo always good health, more birthdays to come, more blessings to come. Enjoy your life as long as you want. Stay what you are. Thank you for friendship, as a sister for me, a good person for me, I love you. You'll always be my sister forever. I love you. I love you. I love you. Happy, 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 happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Good morning, Lian. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sana matupad mo na lahat ng pangarap mo at maging success ka sa lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay at matapos mo yung mga anak mo. Ingat ka lagi. And sana in success ka ngayon itong next journey mo kung saan man ikaw mapadpad na bansa. Hindi ka makapunta rito, malay mo kung sa iba ka mapunta na bansa at doon mo matagpuan ang mga success mo sa buhay para matupad mo mga pangarap mo sa mga anak mo na makapagtapos sa pag-aaral. Ingat ka lagi. See you soon. Happy birthday. Love you. Chup chup. Mama. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the stars burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Leanne, happy birthday. See you soon. Wish ko lang bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. Saya kami kasi makakasama ka namin sa iyong kaarawan. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday.
Buhay ko, salamat sa'yo, aking ina. Sa tuwing ako'y nalulumbay, kapiling ka. Salamat sa'yo, aking ina. Dalangin ko sa may kapal na pag-ingatan ka. Salamat sa'yo, ina.